IONQ stock analysis and IONQ stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's actually done 42,000 videos and has proof of everything. So, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With IONQ, such a beautiful bullish market, you know, and all I'm looking to do is just double down, hopefully get involved yet again. That's 38 bucks and 83 cents. Why do I want to get involved again? Because I adore this bullish market, and it's not even the first time what I began buying. I mean, look at this prediction at the time. Oh, my bad. I don't know why the call is just crap. What the hell? This is a month ago. Probably cannot see it because of this, but that's my big mistake, so sorry about that. And unironically, since then we took it up. Here I had like one decent idea. Unless there's a double break confirmation, I'm not buying whatsoever. So that's ultimately how my price is looking like right now. Not financial advice, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free month.